the film fade from the water. 等一下，慢点。From the water and the sensor. So here, and this one should open. 等一下。You see, this one is press on. This one should open, and the film come here, and come here, and this should pour. This is pouring, and then film to here. Slowly, and here should be even. Two sides should be even. Two sides here should be even, and then fade to here. Then open. Here, open it, and then fade this time. Open. And fade here, and be even, almost even. And then press on. Then you press urgent stop. Of course, you should wait the heater on, heater or temperature, heater arrive. Set temperature arrive. And you should check here on, and you turn off. We check the auto model, start. Press start model. Say it's auto pour the water, pour the film. Auto pour the film. And you also can run starter game, press urgent stop. And turn on, then starter game. Sure, here you should make sure it's checked. It's attachment. It's already attachment. Here's time to set and time set. Time set normally is loaded adjustment. It's already set. And the manual page. Manual page is for the testing. Manual page is for the testing. And Chinese. 时间设置。手动界面，推料、尘封打孔、吸杆点数、推料、指料卡料、搭模点动、点出去年后，然后 English I/O 监控。And then we can start. Here's you need open air. Here you need air compressor. Compress the air to help the lead stem. Help the lead. If you can turn out, okay, it's not correct. You should put here. And let it stand. Here, not part here. So the here is for the counting. For the counting to pour the lead to the film. Here is pour the lead to the film. So you should enough space, and here you can adjustment in the air. Load it too much or too much, just the lead can stand. For example, you face one lead. See? Pull down stand. Then this one is okay, the air is enough. If the air not enough, if low air, you see, it's auto fall down. If air too much, you will waste too much air. That's enough air. That's enough air. Let's test the film.